Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a profitable dropshipping store with Crate and Barrel, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the dropshipping business model to understand its fundamentals. Identify a niche that aligns with your interests and has market demand. Explore Crate and Barrel's product catalog to find items that fit your chosen niche. Create a Shopify account if you haven't done so already. It's an ideal platform for dropshipping. Choose a suitable theme for your store that showcases your products effectively. Add essential pages such as About Us, Contact, and Privacy Policy for credibility. Set up your product pages with high-quality images and detailed descriptions from Crate and Barrel. Use Shopify's import tools or manual entry to add products to your store. Price your products competitively by considering your costs and desired profit margins. Integrate a payment gateway to facilitate smooth transactions for your customers. Focus on optimizing your store for search engines by using relevant keywords. Implement effective social media marketing strategies to reach a broader audience. Utilize email marketing to nurture leads and maintain customer engagement. Implement customer service solutions to address inquiries and build trust. Test each aspect of your store to ensure a seamless shopping experience. Monitor sales analytics to gauge performance and make data-driven decisions. Adjust your marketing strategies based on what resonates with your audience. Continue to expand your product offerings as your business grows. Stay updated on dropshipping trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. Maintain strong relationships with suppliers to ensure reliable product availability. Focus on building a brand that stands out in the crowded online landscape. With patience and persistence, your dropshipping store can become a profitable venture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.